Hey folks, this is Gene at Herringtons in Aynor, South Carolina. Today we're going to be showing you the Powerhouse model. It's a Clayton e-built from Maynardville. It is 3-bedroom, 2-bath, a little over 1,200 square feet. And let's go take a look. Okay, so we open up into the living room here. Nice open area, has can lights. Place put your fan and lights. Nice big single hung low E windows. From here, let's take a look at the kitchen. So we got tons of storage with all your cabinets and drawers. And this refrigerator surround here, we've got nice deep pantry cabinets. Eat at bar top. Nice tall cabinets going all the way to the ceiling. Over here we've got your dishwasher and your sink. Nice deep wells here. Window that you can open. Then on a range hood. Got this nice wipeable surface here. This kitchen is laid out really nice. And then from there, we go into your dining area with wainscot and molding, nice large window. And off to the right of that, we have our back door, laundry room, and then more storage on the other side. And then in the back, we got your main bedroom. Pretty spacious in here. Nice big window, has can lights, and a place to hang your fan. Nice large walk-in closet with light. And let's check out your main bathroom. So we got this large soak-in tub here with window. Then we have double vanity with drawers and cabinets. Then we have your mirror with surround here, and that's a nice wipeable surface again. Like how they do that, a little accent. And then a one-piece step-in shower. It's gonna have glass doors. Okay, let's go check out the other side. There's your entry door and your hallway to your bedrooms. Right here to the left, you got your first bedroom, closet, big window. Then through the hallway, we have your 2 utility closets. One has your air handler, and the other one is for your water heater. At the end of the hallway, we've got your guest bath. Got everything you need in here. And then we go into the third bedroom. Let's run through it one more time. Open living room, big beautiful kitchen, dining room, laundry, main bedroom and bath. This is a beautiful home, y'all. Thanks for watching. This is the Powerhouse, and if you have any questions on it or any other of our models, please give me a call. My name is Gene. This is at Herringtons in Aynor, South Carolina. We have brand new manufactured homes. You can look through our models, or you can order from models online. We're here to help. Give me a call. Thanks.